Hi there, Abe here from Bracetool. We're 2 weeks away from finishing 2024, and before the busy holiday season starts, we'd like to say a few things. Firstly, starting on December 21st, all of our Bracetool locations will be closed for the holidays. If you require any assistance or have any deliveries to drop off, we will reopen our shops on December 30th and 31st just before the New Year's. And finally, our team here at Bracetool had the time to reflect on what a year 2024 has been, and we're happy to report that it was a really great year for us. We've experienced many challenges, we've made many changes to improve on our customer experience, we've gained new friends and business partners, and at the end of the day, we grew as a company, and we couldn't really achieve this growth without you, our customers, vendors, and business partners. So, on behalf of the entire Bracetool team, we thank you and we wish you happy holidays. We're looking forward to continuing working with you again in 2025.